Hi guys, good morning to all. I'm Vic with another video, and that is from the topic 8 from the class AC second year, reactions of aldehyde. I hope you will like the video. Okay, so you enjoy the video. Thank you. So this is what our reactions of aldehyde, and this is your aldol condensation. So here we are talking just about aldehyde. Okay, so in the next class we can discuss the topic regarding ketone also. Okay, so when we're talking about aldol condensation, so this is a reaction which is only because of the alpha hydrogen that present in the aldehyde. Clear? And this reaction can be done in the presence of acid and base, two different type of catalyst. Okay, two different type of catalyst, which are what? Acid catalyst also and base catalyst also. So here we will discuss only the reactions of aldehyde, and which is also the base catalyzed. Clear? Base catalyzed. And when we are talking about aldol and condensation, there is a two term associated with that. In aldol is in one type of product, okay, where in one compound we will have two functional group. One is your OH and another one is your C double bond O. Clear? So ald come because of this, okay, L comes because of this, and O comes because of this function group. So ol, so ald ol, so it become what? Your aldol. Okay, and when we are talking about condensation, we are heating it, so it release what? Water molecule from it. Clear? Now due to condensation, in this aldol condensation, so as I'm talking about two different type of product, so in the first product, when we are talking about aldol product, it is giving us what? Beta hydroxy aldehyde. And when we are talking about condensation product, so they are giving what? Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Clear? Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is what. So and in this reaction, so I have already told you that in this reaction, aldehyde having at least one alpha hydrogen undergo a reaction in the presence of what? As we're talking about base, so you can consider sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, and it will first of all give us what? Beta hydroxy aldehyde. And when it undergo as an aldol product, and when it undergo condensation, so by removing the water molecule, it will give us what? Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Okay, so this is what we are talking about aldol condensation briefly. Okay, so now if we are supposed to discuss the reaction, so we have to take one of the example here, and we will elaborate the thing with the help of this mechanism and all that. Okay, with the help of mechanism and all that. Okay, so let us consider in one of the example here. Okay, let us consider one of the example here, that say suppose this 2 mole of ethanol or acetaldehyde reacting with dilute sodium hydroxide. So first of all, it will give us what? Now it will give us what? This one. Right, so this is already the aldehyde functional group, so I am having alpha group here, so beta, so this is what? Beta hydroxy aldehyde. Rest is so beta hydroxy aldehyde, right? So as we are talking about condensation, so we are heating it, it will release from what? It will release water molecule. So and it will release the water molecule from the respective position of this alpha and beta. Okay, so between these two there would be a double bond. So CH3, CH double bond, CH, then CHO. Again alpha beta. So between alpha and beta there is double bond. So we are talking about alpha beta unsaturated, and this because of CHO it is aldehyde, right? Now let us talk about another example, and let me explain how to write the product. Okay, suppose another example, say B. So suppose I am having this compound. See, so this is my what? Alpha. Right, this is my beta, so I'm taking 2 mole and say again with dilute NaOH. What you do is that first of all you start writing this compound. Clear? And you write from this point, because there would be something here, right? We have to add the things. So you start from this, you have written CHO, this group. Then what you do, you remove one of the hydrogen from here and you write it as what, CH. And whatever the rest of the thing here you are having, else than the alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon, whatever the rest of the thing will be present here, you try to write below here. Okay, and again what you do, you start from this and you make this as an alcohol group. Okay, CHOH, then what, rest of the thing is what, CH2, CH3. So this is my alpha beta, look at it. So this is now what, beta hydroxyaldehyde, right? Now once it undergo condensation, you remove one hydrogen from what, alpha carbon, okay, and OH group from beta carbon, and place the double bond, right? Right, this one, look, 1 2 3, sorry, there would be no hydrogen. So this is what, alpha beta unsaturated. Okay, so this is one of the matter how to write the product. Okay, now let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, mechanism of this, the first one. We can discuss the second one also. Let's the first one, let us discuss the first one. Okay, as we're talking about base catalyst, so first of all, the initial step is that, so whatever the aldehyde we are having, so 1 mole of aldehyde, it will react with whatever base, and what we know, base is gives us whatever OH negative ion, right? So from the sodium hydroxide we were able to have OH negative ion. So now what happens is that, first of all, this OH negative ion will go and abstract the proton from the alpha hydrogen. Clear? And this will shift. Clear? So once it comes and attack the alpha hydrogen, so the electron of the carbon will shift it to the alpha carbon here. Okay, any because if here would be this type of compound, then we will have rest of the thing here, right? So don't go with these things. You do it with alpha hydrogen or alpha carbon. Clear? Then what is the next thing we will have? So we become what, CH2 negative, right? CHO. Clear? This negative. Done. Now what, this negative charge, what you do, you react with another mole of aldehyde. Now you can write the structure a little bit like this to represent it more precisely or more easily. Now this alpha carbon means carbon ion, which is negatively charged, so it will go and attack the carbon of the functional group, the aldehyde group, and this electron will shift it to this. Now what next is that, I can write it here, right? What next is that, now this group, it will come out, right, CH2. Then what comes, sorry, now this group comes, right, CHO, this one, first of all we have to write. Then alpha carbon, you make it what, CH2, right? So nothing group is there, so no need to go downwards here. Then what, this carbon is going and attacking this carbon, meaning what, it is CH and it become what, O negative, and what rest, it is what, CH3. So from the proton it will, from the solvent it will abstract a proton, right? So it will go and abstract the proton, and what next, just vary the simplification form, it will become OH, and rest is what, your same one, right? Rest is what, your same one. So this is the whatever. Now what, this is alpha, this is beta, so this is what, our aldol product, right? This is what, our aldol product, that means what, beta hydroxyaldehyde, beta hydroxyaldehyde. Now let's talk about the second one. Now this beta hydroxyaldehyde, so from beta hydroxyaldehyde, what it will do is that it will undergo condensation. Okay, it will undergo condensation. Okay, and what it will do, I will just write the simplification one. It's simple. It will go and abstract the proton from here. Clear? Let's make it like this. And then what happen? CH3, CH, it will become OH and H, right? And this will become positively charged. So what? CH, it is negatively charged, and it is CHO. Now to minimize the positive charge, we have to break the bond, right? So what you can do is that in the single step, you just shift this electron here. So this and this carbon will form double bond, right? And this electron of the carbon, the electron of the, once you shifted this here, the electron of the OC bond, you shift this electron of carbon here, so this will become neutral. What? It is losing water molecule, right? And once it loses water molecule, then what we can have? It is what your CH3, then it is CH, then they are forming double bond CH, then CH. So this is alpha beta. Look, this is alpha beta one unsaturated aldehyde. Okay, and this is what we are talking about, condensation product. Clear? Condensation product. So this is what we are talking about, aldol condensation reaction. I hope you guys were able to understand the thing, right? So if you like it, then I can show you these things with the ketone also. Okay. So if you like the video, then you can ask me to do with the ketone one also. I can explain the thing. Okay, but in ketone, you know, we can have numbers of product, because there we can have two means, because ketones are like this, right? C double bond. So I can have two alpha carbon, right? I can have two alpha carbon. So with the variation of the alpha carbon, I can have two different numbers of product. What I'm supposed to say is that. Okay, so if you like this video, then please like it, share it, and comment in the below comment section, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.